Welcome to Entrapass training provided by Viper Protection Services. We will be demonstrating the tab operation. In this tab, you have gateway, site, controller, door, relay, input, roll call, and integrated panel. First, we'll look at gateway. Gateway gives us information. It allows us to reload the gateway on the system if you're having issues. Basically, highlight, right click, and you pull up a menu and you can click on the reload. What that'll do is that reloads the communications to all of your controllers and your sites. You also can have full status. If you click on full status, that gives you the number of cards, basic information about that particular site and or all of your sites. Again, right click edit. You can actually go in and edit the gateway on how you want it to function. These are basically set up by Viper Protection Services and how the system works, timing, events, a lot of information here. Typically, the gateway is something where you want to call Viper Protection to do some service. Next is the site. This gives you the information on whether or not the site is communicating. Again, at this point, you can do other things like right-click, highlight, right-click, edit. Now you can edit the site. How many controllers you want, right here. K-test, how it communicates, the timing. Again, a lot of information here is what we've been programmed by Viper Protection Services. Next, controller. What we use this for is to see if we are communicating. When you click on the site, on the right side, it gives you all of your information that you need to see. You can highlight, right click, full status. It gives us whether or not it's communicating, if we got good battery or anything like that. That would all show up here. If you click across the top, you can get more information. Enable graphic, enable animation. What that does is, you see here, turns off the animation. Turn it on. You can reload a controller. You can do several things. Again, this screen typically is something you would call Viper Protection Services for, so that it can help you figure out what's going on if you're having a problem. Door. What we do here is, this is the doors in which is in your system. And how we can do this is, if we highlight, pops up all these icons, and if you hover over them, they will show you what they'll do, like unlock a door, temporary unlock a door, one-time access, door back to schedule. Let's say you're having a meeting and you need a door open. You can highlight, right click. Every one of these has a right click so that you can get in and do what you need to do on each particular device. So let's see here. We would just right click, edit, and then unlock the door. You click yes. It generates your event in the background. Door unlocked by operator. And then it gives you a graphical representation here with the green light with the little operator. It says, hey, you unlocked my door. To change that back, you got to make sure you highlight, because if it's not highlighted, it's not going to work. You go up here, just click on lock door. Okay. Now down here, as you can see, door locked by operator. You can also adjust the door by right click, edit. And in this screen, you can go in and you can put an automatic unlock schedule. You can change how the rear or keypad works, the contact, the request to exit. Basically, the programming of the door. Again, at this point where you change the programming, other than this unlock schedule, should call Viper Protection Services for service. They can walk you through. So that's the door. Relay, same thing. Click on it, shows you all your relays. Highlight it, right click. You can activate or deactivate, or you can edit. All of these tabs here allow you to get in and see what's going on. The operation screen is just a way to do like a quick unlock or activate or deactivate, or just a quick way that you can see what's going on with your system, because it is all graphical representation. Input, same thing. If you have like we have schedules associated, that's what this little thing here is. So we monitor this door contact on a specific schedule. Right now everything's showing green, so everything is closed. If something was open, your little green light here would be red. Roll call. Many people don't use this. This is for guard, and this is something you would call Viper Protection Services about to use this feature. Same thing with integrated panel. If you have a security system on your facility, that you could tie it into the access system so that you could see. Like right now it's showing zone 5 and 6 on our system as being open. So what that means is this is exactly what's happening with the security system. So now I can control the security system with the access. So I could arm it, virtual keypad, right there. Shows me the keypad. I can punch in my code and arm my security system. It's really cool. And that's the operation tab.